Backyard Farm in Jamaica, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Barrel full to the brim. Okay. Checking on my garden. We've been having heavy rains all morning. Cool down a little now, but we'll continue into tonight. Some of the containers sure can't let out the water fast enough with all the downpour that we've been getting. Due to the system the island is facing at this time. I am just hoping for the best though. So this is the next day. I'm just looking around to see what happened. I'm so grateful I wasn't flooded out. So many people did. I had managed to get my pineapples here from where I used to live. If they bear fruit, that would be nice, but I just love to see them in my garden. Me and them are coming from way back. These buckets I am gathering to plant dwarf fruit trees. The smaller ones I'm going to plant potatoes in. There's a June plum in the middle one already. Look at my lemon trees. The caterpillars have been eating them morning, noon, and night. No rest. Look at that big one. The chocho or chayote got too much water. Two of them rot, but that little one over there is still pushing through. So yeah. Tomatoes are coming through. Peppers as well. Cucumbers now going with nothing, but I will plant some more. A few little things to get done to straighten back up and all, but in time. And I will also have to add some more mulch. Some of it was washed away, but that's the least. Anyways, let's get my tomato trees supported. That's a broomstick that broke I am using. The bugs got to my cabbages. Even leave this big poop. There goes one of the culprits. Oh well. Blessings from the garden, my grapevine. Look at it. I don't think I have luck with them at all. Almost all of the turnip seedlings in here washed away, I suppose. Look at my callaloo or my amaranth. Them worm here come to kill, steal, and destroy. We'll just clean it all up and let them grow fresh. That would have been a nice bundle of callaloo for breakfast. The Swiss chard were beaten down badly. We'll just eat what is left. Some amount of cleaning up to do and straighten up, but I'm so grateful. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.